Vivo has officially confirmed that Vivo X300 series will be launching on October 13th at 7 p.m. in China. The company is calling it its annual imaging flagship, and early teasers suggest that both the cameras and the design will be its latest focus. On the design side, Vivo is going for something a little bit different. The X300 series will debut a minimalistic circular camera module paired with the company what it describes as a suspended water droplet and cold sculpted glass design. It's a camera that really stands out. According to the VP of product Huang, the standard X300 will ship with a 200 megapixel size super primary camera, and X300 Pro will get 85 Zeiss 200 megapixel APS super telephoto lens. Both support advanced optical stabilization rated at CMA 4.5 and CPA 5.5 respectively, putting them amongst the most stable shooters for any camera. It comes with Zeiss T coating and also same deep blue absorption glass. For the video, the X300 Pro will get the world's first 4K 60 frames per second portrait video along with dual focus 4K 120 Dolby Vision HDR and 4K 120Hz 10-bit log recording. It'll be the first to debut with MediaTek's new Dimensity 9500 chipset. It will also feature Blueprint V3 Plus image chipset, Origin OS 6 cross-device connectivity with Apple ecosystem, and BEQ10 Plus display with 1 nit minimum brightness. According to DCS, it will pack dual UFS 4.1 storage lanes, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, 2.0 and Sony new LYT828 and LYT602 sensors. Along with this, the Vivo is also going to launch the Watch GT2, TWS5 and Vivo Pad SC on the same day.